So, meron kaming Women's Fellowship today, Picnic Fellowship, at just for fun, we're gonna bring food to share, potluck, na ang pangalan ng food ay ang aming initial.
I brought this one, it's J start
Start with the letter J. Jackfruit! J!
we call this one as Jubilo-bilo.
J for Jubilo-bilo.
And the ingredients are jasaba, ano ba? Kamote,
Coconut milk, coconut.
chocolate noise, chocolate rice,
Chago. Jago.
No jago.
Well, no jago.
No jago.
Against the light.
and coconut. That's
Jokona. Thank you. Alam mo?
it. Jomalagkit.
Jo Malagkit. Pareho kayo ni Jen. This is from Jen din. Ganun din, jackfruit. Oh, diba? Yay, J for jackfruit. Pwedeng ako sumunod. J din kasi ako eh.
Kaya nga, J.
My J is a Japanese dumpling or gyoza. Yan. Tapos dinala ko yung ano ni Per. Chili garlic oil. Tapos may dipping sauce. Yan.
Okay, para tapos na mine
Sister
is,
Wilma.
Mine is this one. Can we just baliktad the
Macaroons for W.
Macarons.
Wakaroon. Yay! Oh, si Grace naman. G for Grace.
Or ano, let's just pretend gelato.
Wow!
Gelato ice cream.
Social.
From Italy.
From Italy. Gelato. Sir Betty, what did you bring? V for Pringles. Yay!
New brand.
Sister Myla M. Myla.
Yes, I got the letter M, mango.
Where's the mango?
And the
Mango.
melon.
Big mango. Melon.
And Mochilio. My name
Si
is Jan and I have coconut juice.
Jojo nut juice. Yeah, juice pala.
Strawberry.
Yes, napaka-talented. Ice for Isang. Oh. Ice cream. Oh, yay. Lane L. Elenita.
I've been searching for food. Ang hirap, eggplant. So, what I thought is
Eggless.
everything na lang.
Everything. Dinala niya na lahat ng nasa bahay nila.
I have strawberry, fruits,
Yes.
donut. Oh, who else? Indian food.
Ano yan? Indian food?
Indian pudding
Ay.
and crisp.
Yes, may dip pa.
Yes, and dip.
Okay. Thank you. This is Shiba.
Starting with this.
Yeah. What did you bring?
Chicken.
Samosa. Let's see. Samosa of Shiba. Yeah. Wow.
Hi, my name is Bea, and B for banana.
Yay.
B
Banta.